Welcome back, everyone. Hello. We are learning today Minuet in G, and this is a middle C position. So we moved it to middle C to make it a little bit easier to play. This is a simplified version of it, and we are using what I call the butterfly position to play this. Both thumbs are in middle C. So now my thumbs are too fat to fit, so I move one hand a little bit higher. It doesn't matter which hand is above both hands. One white note per finger in the right hand, one white note per finger on the left hand. Okay. The only exception is the F sharp. C, D, E, F sharp, G. So instead of playing the white note F, we're playing the black note F sharp. But my hands never have to move out of this position. Here, instead of playing the F with my fifth finger, I'm playing the F sharp with my fifth finger. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, here's what it sounds like all together. Okay, so now let's break it down one hand at a time. Let's take a measure or two at a time. Let's try that. So we start off with 2, and then going to go to the left hand. 4, 3, 2, 1, 2 and 2. So both pointer fingers together, and then 4, 4 with my left hand. 1 and 3 with the right. Thumb with the left hand, 3 with the right hand, and then all 5 fingers in a row with the right hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'll do that again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. When I get to the 5 in the right hand, I'm going to add the second finger in the left hand. All right, that's the first 4 measures. Let me show you that again. I'm going to say the finger numbers as we go. 2, 4, 3, 2, 1, 2 and 2, 4, 4. 1 and 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 2, 4, 4. All right, and then we go on. 1 and 3, thumb with the right hand, 3 with the left. 2, 1, 2, 3, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 4, 3, 2, 4, 2, 3. Let me do those 4 measures again. So it's 1 and 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 4, 2, 3. The next 4 measures are exactly the same as the beginning. 2, 4, 3, 2, 1, 2 and 2, 4, 4. 1 and 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 2, 4, 4. 1 and 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 3. 2, 3, 4, 5, 4. Okay, the last 4 measures are slightly different from the second 4 measures. Starts off the same. 1 and 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here it's a little bit different. 3, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4. Okay, and that is all of it. We got a little time. Let's do the whole thing from the beginning. We're going to play it together. Ready, begin. 2, 4, 3, 2, 1, 2 and 2, 4, 4. 1 and 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 2, 4. 1 and 3 now. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 4, 3, 2, 4, 2, 3. Same as beginning here. 2, 4, 3, 2, 1, 2 and 2, 4. 1 and 3 now. 1 and 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 2, 4. 1 and 3 now. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 3. 2, 3, 4, 5, 4. Enjoy.